Here is a case of thulium fiber laser Enbloc resection of bladder tumor. Previously we have presented videos, but this case is different, where 59 years old male patient, total painless gross hematuria, large heterogeneously enhancing hypodense lesion on the right posterior wall. The reason to present is the bladder tumor normally may be a small stacked, which is suitable for the TURBT or thulium fiber. But if it is a big tree like this, with a lot of small lesions, nearly half of the bladder on the right side, then can it be done with an Enbloc? Even if you dissect with TURBT, you have to remove the mucosa. So anyway, we thought ureteric orifice is also not seen after search. So this entire segment we have removed with TFL. Entire segment. We are going deep at the center part, and rest of the thing is submucosal, taking the bladder wall. This is a small lesion, CIS suspected. So we have taken a separate biopsy. This is a tumor, which is the main tumor. When we have gone inside, it is totally different. It is a large carpet area. This is the large tumor, exactly at the obturator region. So when you go inside with scope, see, this is the tumor expected on the right side. Ureteric orifice not seen, very large. And this is the carcinoma in situ type of lesion. This is the left ureteric orifice. Rest of the bladder normal. Right ureteric orifice searched, probably in this region it is there, but not possible. After this, see, this lesion, TURBT can be done, but mucosa has to be removed or coagulated. Can we do with Enbloc resection? That is the case we are presenting. We have done it, all the carpet area total removed. We have marked a large area. In the central part where the tumor is there, we have gone very deep. Only problem with this is, and that such large one can we remove by loop or not. See, this is the marking. Like in partial nephrectomy, we mark all around so that we don't remove remove extra, or we don't leave any bladder tumor. So all around we marked like this. Absolutely no bleeding, and distended bladder is the important. See here. So if carefully again relook whatever you have done, see the movement. Once you move fast, it elevates fast. See, at the end, you can again see, this is the deepest part. Ureteric orifice not seen. See, this is the layer, carpet layer, where we marked and totally lifted. After doing 15-20 cases, variety of cases like bladder neck, anterior bladder wall, difficult dome. This is also one interesting part, where feasibility of thulium fiber laser in the right lateral wall with a large area of tumor involvement, entire thing lifted as one. In the area of the large tumor, muscle is taken more, so that biopsy can be commented. If you do TURBT also, you have to either coagulate or remove. See, here I am very superficial. There is no need to give. Clear muscle is seen. In all these specimens we have done in the past, muscle is seen, lamina propria is seen, muscularis propria is seen, and clear comment by the pathologist seen. This helps in clear staging in the first go. Definitely it will avoid restaging of the tumor. If it is high grade muscle invasive, in this case if it comes, the job to take the decision becomes easy, whether radical cystectomy or radiotherapy, depending on the fitness of the patient. Most often we go for radiotherapy without any second look. If the muscle is there, by chance in TURBT specimen, if the muscle is not commented, then we have to go back again. That is a little for patient, again one more anesthesia like that. That is the reason why we are showing this case. Such a large area where center it is deep. See the muscle fibers. If you distend the bladder, you will get it easily. You will get it very easily. Entire surgery, not even a drop of blood. Honestly, it is avascular, totally avascular plane. Because the coagulation effect of this is good, at the same time you can go deeper also. See, such a big broad surface area. Definitely this won't come, we know that. So we made into two pieces and removed. We tried with nephroscope with triprong, but when you see the bladder neck is little small, so it will not come. This is a big tumor. So ultimately we tried with basket, we tried with this thing. So we have removed in two places so that the base is kept intact. So that comment can be seen. Large chunk is taken out with base intact. So this is the CIS. Here We thought we will take with a TURBT loop to compare. Otherwise, this also can be rejected. See, this is a single piece taken and taken out separately and sent for biopsy. Just because we put the loop, we coagulated that area. Rest of the area is very, very dry without any bleeding. See, these are the large chunks with muscle which we have removed. So, histopathology up to now 16 cases, all bladder muscle involved and clear comment is possible. Thank you.